Toyota Corona challenges one of the fastest cars in the world. This is the Green Monster. One door, difficult to park, very little trunk space. Toyota Corona holds plenty of luggage, has 4 doors, and parks anywhere. The Monster seats 1 passenger and, frankly, gets terrible gas mileage. Toyota Corona seats 5, gets terrific gas mileage, and can be had with air conditioning and an automatic transmission. Now, the real test. Performance. At 50 yards, it's Toyota Corona. At 75 yards, it's still Toyota Corona. And the winner of the grueling, 98-yard marathon...